the grade 5, Grisia Cassandra R. Coras, with high honors, and also awarded as Academic Excellence in English, Academic Excellence in Science, Academic Excellence in Mathematics, Academic Excellence in Good Manners and the Right Conduct, Academic Excellence in Edukasyong Pantahanan at Pangkabuhayan, Academic Excellence in Computer, and Academic Excellence in Music and Arts.